Set the view from inside to outside, although artwork can be added to the inside or the outside or both. Load the artwork. I chose image proportional. This will bring in the artwork to the original size. Nudge the artwork into the correct position. The nudge value can be changed at the bottom right of the screen. Click the Make 3D button towards the middle of the screen at the top. Then choose the material you wish to use. Select the Fold button from the left-hand menu. Typically with carton you will need to overfold the panels that are going to be internal. Select them and then fold them through, in this case 91 degrees. Then fold the main panels through 90. Go to the Move button at the top of the left-hand menu. This will allow you to select an entire object rather than just a panel. Zoom in, Control right mouse and push. When folding, it can be useful to use different viewpoints to get a more accurate image of what you're actually folding. Right mouse and drag will enable you to rotate your viewpoint. F4 will zoom all.